This Coldwell Banker SSK, Realtors property video is presented by Renae Anderson. All brick 1-story west/a pool in a cul-de-sac. 4 bedroom/2.5 bath west/a keeping room, formal dining room, office, screened-in back porch, pool west/waterfall, brick fireplace, and an all-brick wired detached garage/workshop. Remodeled kitchen to include granite, copper farm sink, large wine rack west/mini fridge and extra cabinets, painted and glazed cabinets. Both bathroom countertops changed to granite and cabinets painted. Master shower upgraded to tile. Screened back porch wired for surround sound. Ozone Pool, air conditioner is 6 years old. For more information, review the details below or contact Renae Anderson at 478-390-7690.